It was a warm afternoon at Kingston Tech College when Jacqueline, Allison, and Germaine gathered in the lab, eager to finish their latest experiment on quantum energy transfer. Jacqueline adjusted her safety goggles, Allison double-checked the calibration, and Germaine, the aspiring scientist, carefully handled the shimmering device, a prototype designed to harness quantum particles for sustainable energy. As they powered up the machine, a sudden flicker of lights cut through the lab. The device emitted a strange, pulsating glow, and a low hum grew louder. Germaine's eyes widened. "Something's not right," he said, voice tense. Before they could react further, a burst of blinding light engulfed the room. When the glow subsided, the students found themselves in an unfamiliar, shimmering landscape, like a reflection of their own world but with surreal, glowing flora and floating islands. They realized they had somehow triggered a quantum leak, creating a portal to an alternate dimension. Allison stuttered. "What do we do? We're trapped." Germaine, ever the scientist, pulled out his notebook and started analyzing the strange energy readings. "This isn't just a malfunction. The device must have opened a rift between realities. If we can understand it, maybe we can reverse it." Jacqueline looked around and spotted a floating crystal emitting pulsating light. "Maybe that's the key to closing it," she said. Carefully, the three approached the crystal, noticing that its glow synchronized with their heartbeat. Suddenly, the portal flickered, threatening to pull them in further. Germaine shouted, "Hold on! We need to work together. If we can find the source of the energy, we might be able to shut it down." Using their combined knowledge and quick thinking, they managed to manipulate the device's controls, channeling the energy back into the crystal. With a final burst of light, the portal shrank and disappeared. Breathless but safe, they found themselves back in their lab, the device now inert. Germaine looked at his friends, a new sense of awe in his eyes. "We just tapped into a whole new realm and survived. That's the kind of discovery most scientists dream about." Allison grinned. "Next time, maybe we stick to regular experiments, but I'll never forget this adventure." Jacqueline laughed. "Yeah, but I'll also never forget what we learned about courage and teamwork today." As they packed up their equipment, they knew this was just the beginning of many more adventures, beyond the stars and into the unknown.